So we're in the shop today, and I brought in my compact router table. Over the last couple of years, the guys have shown off a couple of router tables that we have here in the shop or they have at home, so I thought it was a good time to bring mine in and show it off as well. I do admit that I had a full-sized roll-around routing table in my shop for the longest time, and I found just within a shared space of it being in a garage, not having a lot of space and just trying to move it around. I found that I was moving it more than I was using it, so I decided to downsize, and I couldn't really be happier. So I guess I can show off some of the features that this one has and why I really like it. We do call it a compact router table, but it does have a pretty good sized table on it, really not sacrificing any there. It's big enough for all the jobs that I needed to do, so pretty pleased with that. The fence on here, it's fully adjustable. Just has some knobs and bolts that lock down in this T-track, so it slides easily into position. Can lock it down on one side. Still have some adjustment on the other side. Lock that down as well. The other thing with the fence is that I've added some of these purchased bit holders. I know it's pretty easy just to drill some 1/2-inch holes or some 1/4-inch holes into plywood or wood. But the one thing I do like about these is that they never expand and contract like wood does. So I can hold some of the bits that I use often right here in the fence. I know they're not going to roll off the router table or the workbench and fall onto the floor and get dinged up that way. So that's a nice feature to have. The other thing you might notice is there's some threaded inserts in the table and in the fence, and that's just for this feather board that I keep handy here on the front, so I can mount it on the fence or bring it here and mount it on the table, and can go into either one of those. It's fully adjustable, and that way I can hold pieces either up against the fence or down to the table, and it just helps me get better results that way. So that's a nice accessory to have. Keep it close to your router table. The other thing I really like about this table and most of the compact router tables that we use is it's actually a little bit higher. Clamps right down to the bench here with a few feet, and I do like that having the work surface a little bit higher. Not that tall, but it just brings it up a little bit easier to kind of see what I'm doing. It's a little bit more comfortable for me, so that is a nice feature. If it is too tall for you, you could mount it or clamp it to a cart or some sawhorses, something that's a little bit shorter. But that's just one feature that I like. It's got all the basic features, but now I can show you, what I really like about it is the fact, flip this thing over. You can see how the router is mounted in here with toggle clamps. I could just as easily, screw through the top into this router, and that would hold it just fine. It'd be pretty easy to do. But with the toggle clamps, you can pop it right off. It's already got the base on there. I don't have to mess with any screws, so I can get it off easily, go right to any handheld routing operations that I need to do. The other thing you can see is there's a pocket routed in here, and I've done that just to match the router base. So it pops right in there, centers it right where it needs to be. I don't have to fumble around locating it. So if you have a different router, you could just as easily, route this to whatever size you needed. And the next thing is, if I take out these threaded knobs, so after I remove these threaded knobs from the sides, I can pop out the front and back. And then the sides are connected with some piano hinge. They fold down, and these get placed on there like so. Threaded knobs back in. Remount the feather board on the front. Down. Now if I flip this up, I can put the fence back into one of the T-tracks here. With the fence mounted on the top, it's got a handle, so it's easy to carry. Doesn't take up much space on the shelf. So if you like this design, you can find the plans at woodsmithplans.com. It's a great way to have a nice compact router table. It's easy to store and easy to take on the go.